Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the steps on how to uninstall an application on macOS. Now, it's a very simple process, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so to start off, we need to find the app that you are looking to uninstall. So to do this, go to your Finder and then locate the app. So in this case, I'm going to go to my Applications folder and then I'm looking to uninstall Coconut Battery as I no longer need it. So we're going to select the app and then we can either control click or right click and then go to Move to Bin. Now you'll hear a little noise like so, and you'll see that the bin has now got stuff in it. So you could have also just dragged the app to the bin, so that's just another quick and easy way of doing that. So now we'll open the bin, and as you can see, we've got Coconut Battery in here. Now you might also have other files in here, depending if you've ever emptied the bin before, so just files that you've deleted. But in this case, we're going to select Coconut Battery, then control click again or right click, and then click delete immediately. Now it's going to give you the warning that asks if you really want to delete the app, because it will be permanently deleted, so be sure that you've got a backup of or any files that may be on that app. In this case, I'm going to click delete, and as you can see, it has permanently deleted it from the bin. So now that app no longer exists in my applications folder, and as you can see, if I search for the app, there is no traces back to any sort of applications that may be on my computer. It's only just websites that are coming up. So yeah, that's a really quick and easy way of uninstalling any app from macOS, and it's just a really great process if you do need to get rid of a certain app that is causing problems to your computer. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful in helping you to uninstall an app from your macOS device. And also let me know down in the comments below any video suggestions that you would like me to make in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.